In this story, Sainsbury's has come under fire by a lady who's brandished them as sexist for applying what she believes is a wildly inappropriate name for a piece of steak. She's talking about Sainsbury's Big Daddy beef rump steak, and at the risk of enhancing the Streisand effect, I'm going to tell you all about it in this video. So, ironically, as reported by Lad Bible, this lady believes that Sainsbury's is being sexist by calling this piece of steak the Big Daddy beef rump steak. Now, I didn't really have to look in a dictionary, but I did anyway to confirm that the common understanding of the Big Daddy version of anything is a big version of that thing. So, the Big Daddy beef rump steak, I presume, is being branded as such because it's a large piece of steak. In some concession, I suppose, within the article, she does say that when she got home, she thought, gosh, have I overreacted? Well, many of you may also agree that she overreacted in believing that this is sexist, or maybe you do think that this is being sexist. I don't know. So I will put a poll in the description below and you can go and vote on it yourself. But from my perspective, if language is commonly used to describe a thing and you know what that thing means, and the intent behind it is certainly not one of being sexist. Because remember, when we come down to legal definitions and something being sexist, it would generally deemed to be treating somebody unfairly, deliberately and specifically in direct relation or indirect relation to their sex, as it would be for any other kind of discrimination for any protected characteristic under the Equality Act 2010. But just in the same way that a ladies only gym is not being sexist because it's the ladies only gym, even if this steak were marketed only at men, which I don't think it is, I think it's just a description of the size of the steak, but even if it were described as a man's only steak, that doesn't make it sexist, because, as I said, just like a ladies only gym is not sexist, it's just that's what it does. Where it would come under genuine fire for discrimination or sexism is if a gym didn't specify itself as a ladies only gym, but instead said women have to pay 50% more, or men have to pay 50% more because they are women or because they are men. And in those circumstances, I would accept that there is genuine criticism for being sexist. But in this case, and in my view, for what it's worth, the Big Daddy beef rump steak from Sainsbury's looks like a big piece of meat. Let me know what you think in the poll and in the comment section below. Do you think this is sexist, or do you think that this lady was right the first time and that she's overreacting? And in the meantime, please like this video, subscribe, and thank you for watching.